Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jitendra Tripathi. Student, today I am going to explain the merits of the Mendeleev periodic table. I think in previous class we are discussing the Mendeleev periodic law and description and some merits of the Mendeleev periodic law. So today we are going to explain demerits of the Mendeleev periodic law. So demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Demerits of the Mendeleev periodic table. Yes, student. First demerits of the Mendeleev periodic table is the anomalous pair. Anomalous pair. Do you know meaning of anomalous pair? Anomalous pair means two different elements present in same box. Here in Mendeleev periodic table, the elements are arranged in on the basis of their atomic weight. It's okay. So there are two such pair in which atomic weight of preceding elements is higher than that of following element. Means initial element have higher atomic weight in comparison of element present after that element. Just take an example. Cobalt and nickel. Example here, cobalt, that is Cu, and nickel. See here, cobalt atomic weight is 58.9, and nickel atomic weight is 58.6. How? Here 27 and 28. According to atomic weight, nickel comes before the cobalt, while in Mendeleev periodic table, cobalt present before the nickel. So this one is a wrong pair. This is the anomalous pair at where some problem occurs in atomic weight. Second one example is that tellurium, that is T, and iodine, that is I. Atomic weight of tellurium is 128 and atomic weight of iodine is 127. So this one pair is also a problem creating pair. Reason behind that, increasing atomic weight elements comes after the lower atomic weight. So this one is again anomalous pair at where a problem arises in Mendeleev periodic table. Now second property is the second demerits is the position of hydrogen. See here, position of hydrogen element is doubtful. Position of hydrogen in Mendeleev periodic table is also doubtful. How will you decide? Hydrogen element present in two groups, that is first A and seventh A. In first A, alkali metals while 7th is the halogen. So Mendeleev placed hydrogen at two groups with alkali metals and halogen. Why hydrogen present in two groups? Due to hydrogen shows some resemblance, some similar property with the alkali metal and some similar property with the halogen. That's why Mendeleev gets two position of hydrogen with alkali metal and halogens. In a higher class, this resemblance or similar property are discussed with alkali metals and halogens. It's okay. So here one point is one more. Hydrogen position of hydrogen in periodic table are doubtful till now today in each and every law. So this one is a too much problem creating. Nowadays this is also a problem. Okay. Now position of the rare earth element third is what? Position of rare earth element. Yes, rare earth element, that is a block elements, uranium like elements. The position of rare earth elements, these are lanthanide and actinide, cannot be justified on the basis of atomic weight. So these elements also don't get any real position in periodic table. That's why rare earth element position is also doubtful in periodic table. Now fourth property is the position of isotopes. Position of isotopes. Just take an example. First of all, hydrogen. Hydrogen have three isotopes, that is 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. There are three isotopes of hydrogen in which atomic weight are different, 1, 2, 3. So that these isotopes also get the different position in periodic table, but Mendeleev don't get the position of these elements. And another example is carbon, 6C12, 6C13, 6C14. Here three isotopes of carbon, so these isotopes also get the position in periodic table, but Mendeleev don't give the position of these isotopes. Reason behind that, he said that only one element, carbon, gets only one position, but here is increasing order of atomic weight. So this is the again doubtful condition of the isotopes. Similarly, one more demerits is the position of isobars. Position of isobar. See here. Take these two examples, cobalt and nickel. Both atomic weight is the 58. See here 58. After correction, 27 and 28. Here one question arises. These two elements have same atomic weight, but Mendeleev positioned these elements in different group. Why? So there is a no again answer. Reason that Mendeleev says that both the elements are different. That's why we have positioned these elements in different groups, but as per the atomic weight both the element have same atomic weight. So these are the some demerits of the Mendeleev periodic table. Student, this is all about today. Remaining part discussed in next class. Best of luck for attending the class.